Hello friends, welcome back to HSA English classes. Today we are going to learn the authors from William Shakespeare to W.B. Yeats of Module 1 Poetry. William Shakespeare. He was born at Stratford upon Avon as the son of John Shakespeare and Mary Arden. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. In 1582, at the age of 18, he married Anne Hathaway. Shakespeare lived during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I. The Globe Theatre was established in 1599. Shakespearean sonnets were published in the year 1609. On 23rd April 1616, the sweet swan of Avon, William Shakespeare, bid adieu to the world. Shakespearean comedies are Comedy of Errors, The Merchant of Venice, Tempest, Measure for Measure, As You Like It, and The Winter's Tale. Shakespearean tragedies Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, King Lear, Hamlet, and Othello. John Donne. John Donne is the founder of Metaphysical School of Poetry and the greatest representative of the metaphysical poets. He is it. A valediction forbidding mourning comes under Neoplatonic love poetry. The term metaphysical was applied to Donne by Dryden. Dryden had written in 1693, he affects the metaphysics. A valediction forbidding mourning was first published in the 1633 collection Songs and Sonnets. Donne's major works include Ecstasy, Songs and Sonnets, The Dream, Flee, Good Morrow, The Canonization, A Hymn to God the Father. John Milton. Milton was born in England on 9th December 1608, London. His major works include Penseroso in 1632, Comus in 1634, Lycidas in 1637, Paradise Lost in 1667, and Paradise Regained in 1671. Thomas Gray. Thomas Gray was an English poet. He is widely known for his elegy written in a country churchyard, published in 1751. He published only 13 poems. He belongs to transitional poets. Some of his major works include The Progress of Poesy, a Pindaric Ode, The Fatal Sisters, and Ode on the Death of Richard West. William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth is an English romantic poet. Lyrical Ballads 1798 is a joint publication of Samuel Taylor Coleridge and William Wordsworth. He was born in England during the reign of Queen Victoria. Prelude, it was generally known as Coleridge. Some of his major works include The Solitary Reaper, lines composed a few miles above Tintern Abbey, Daffodils, and the Prelude. P.B. Shelley. Shelley was one of the major English romantic poets. His best known works include Ozymandias, Ode to the West Wind, To a Skylark, Adonais, Prometheus Unbound, and Ode to a Skylark. John Keats. John Keats was one of the finest English poets of the Romantic school of writing. His first poem, An Imitation of Spenser, in 1814. Fanny Brawne was the woman whom Yeats loved. Some of his major works include Endymion, Ode to a Nightingale, Ode to Autumn, and Ode on a Grecian Urn. Alfred Lord Tennyson. He was an English poet, lived during the reign of Queen Victoria. In Memoriam in 1850 is an elegy recalling his best friend Hallam's death. Some of his major works include The Lady of Shalott, The Lotus Eaters, The Princess, and The Ulysses. Robert Browning. Robert Browning was a prominent Victorian poet and English poet. Some of his major works include Men and the Women, The Ring and the Book, Porphyria's Lover, My Last Duchess, and The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Asolando published on the day of his death a concise and brief poem. Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold was a British poet. He was a Victorian poet. He was considered as the father of modern literary criticism. Arnold invented touchstone method to evaluate poetry. Some of his major works include Dover Beach, The Scholar Gypsy, and The Study of Poetry. W.B. Yeats. He was an Irish poet of 20th century literature. In 1923, Yeats was awarded the Honorary Nobel Prize in Literature. He wrote A Prayer for My Daughter for his daughter Anne and A Prayer for My Son for his son Michael. His major works include Mozada, The Tower, and the collected poems. Thank you.